Started into her double spin. Alright, so once again, we're taking a look at that. We go, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 1. Now right here, the lady will step forward, 2, and then she'll spin, 3. Her feet come together, and then she N1s out of it. N1, 2, 3, and 1. So once again, we have back step, overhead, back step, under she goes, back step, spin, spin, back step, out and through, back step, forward and out. And one more time, you'll see the N1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Gentlemen, when you have the lady in these spins, you're going to be tempted to want to really do a strong stirring action. A lot of the guys first learning this move want to get here and then they want to really help out and go through all that stuff there. There's no need for all that work. All you do is lift the arms, keep your arms solid. She does the spinning. The fact that you're lifting up the arms is enough to let her know that she should spin. So once again, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3. Notice very little hold. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And while we're on the subject of spins, we want to cover one of the points that is very important. Try never to do this with your fingers, okay? Don't lock finger to finger because you can't possibly spin that way. You can actually end up hurting each other if you do that. The actual hold is a very light touch. So basically what we have here is a fingertip to fingertip contact, and I start my movement, and she keeps in contact with those fingertips. She's able to make her moves, and I'm able to guide her. So essentially, man, we're not much more than a frame. The lady is the picture.
Fertig,